It's Wednesday and it's currently 2 p.m. and gumagawa ko ng requirements ko here. Ay, kanina nandun ako sa terrace pero masyadong maliwanag for me kaya lumipat ako dito sa loob. And I'm using my new laptop for doing my requirements, and this is Realme's newest laptop. They're Realme Book. As you guys have seen sa mga vlog ko, ang gamit ko talagang laptop is yung MacBook Air ko. So this is my MacBook Air, and I can say that this Realme Book is a perfect dupe for MacBook Air. So if you want yung MacBook Air, since MacBook is nasa pricier sides, you can opt for the Realme Book since parehas silang light and slim, as you guys can see here. And this one has a larger screen compared pa sa MacBook ko. And this has 2K full vision display. So ayan. And pati yung design, guys. And what I like about this is that pwede siyang medyo straight, pero not totally. Yung sa MacBook kasi is ganyan lang. So, mas malaki tong Realme compared to my MacBook. And yung size niya is more thinner. And they also have the same weight for me. And super slim. Pinakita ko kanina. And this is how slim yung Realme Book. So, ganyan siya. And I'll just place additional na mga specs ng Realme Book here. And super perfect to, guys, for students na nag-online classes. And ginagamit ko rin to for Google Meets and for doing requirements. So, if you're looking for mga laptops for your online classes or work from home, I can recommend this Realme Book. I'll just place the links sa description box on where you can purchase it, and watch out kasi may mga discounts sila. You can check my story for those, and ayan. So, overall, I can say na pwede tong alternative for my MacBook Air. And maganda rin siya for Netflix, guys. Tinry ko na rin kasi mas malaki yung display niya compared sa MacBook Air ko. So, ayun. And mas, di ko alam pero mas colorful. Mas maganda yung display niya. So, ayan. If you're looking for a more affordable na version ng MacBook Air is go for the Realme Book. So, ayan lang, guys. Ganito yung sa MacBook Air. So, ayan. They're kinda similar and super ganun din yung style niya sa likod. It's super minimal design. May nakalagay lang na Realme na logo nila. So, ayan. Ayan siya. So, ayan lang naman, guys. And also, guys, I forgot to mention pala yung price ng Realme Book, and this is for 37,990, and like what I said, meron mga discounts, so watch out for my stories kasi baka may mga flash sales and like that. So, ayun lang. So, guys, by the way, kumain lang ako and nag-order pala ulit ako ng albums ko, and dumating sila last week. Kasi, guys, super na-stress ako sa school. So, ang coping mechanism ko talaga is magtingin sa Shopee or mag-checkout. So, ang checkout ko is ayan, mga so, parang ginagawa ko kasi siyang reward system for me. If natapos ko yung task ko for this week, is may reward ako. And yung reward na yun is mag-unbox ako ng album. And nakatapos ako ng requirements ko. So, nag-unbox na ako. Pero hindi ko na na-video, guys. So, na-unbox ko na these two na albums na kinuha ko, which is Enhypen's Border Day 1 albums, both version. And this one naman, I got then Taste of Love. Pero ito yung hindi ko pa binubuksan para for this week siya. So guys, here na yung collection of albums ko. We have mga Enhypen, and then this one, Taste of Love, and then my photo card binder. Ayan. Tcharan! And ang next na gagawin ko is maglilinis ako ng kwarto again kasi hindi ko alam kung bakit, pero nakahiga lang naman ako, pero sobrang bilis gumulo ng kwarto ko. So, ayan, let's clean, guys. Thank you. unboxing is from Deerma Philippines, and this is their new product. This is the DX810 vacuum cleaner. And this will be on sale on October 10 sa Shopee Mall. So, ilalagay ko yung links sa description box. And yung price nito originally is 2,299, and on October 10, magsisale siya ng 1,945. So, makakasave kayo ng hundreds kapag bibili kayo on October 10 sa 10/10 on Shopee. And I'll place the links sa description box. And guys, super gandang vacuum cleaner to. Kasi look, oh, yung na-suction niyang dumi, kahit yung super fine na particles of ng dust is nakuha niya here sa may parang ganito niya. And may filter din siya dito. And also guys, napansin ko kasi sa ibang vacuum cleaner is mabigat siya. So this one is very light lang. So hindi siya nakakangawit gamitin. Hindi siya nakakapagod buhatin. So diba kapag gaganunin mo is mabigat yung iba. And this one is super lightweight lang. And yung gusto ko rin here is yung design niya is cute for me. Very minimalistic yung design niya. And hindi siya mabigat. And maganda rin yung paggamit mo sa floor. Kasi parang isang ganun mo lang is malinis na siya agad. Tapos, not only sa floor mo to pwede gamitin, but as well as sa mga carpets, sa bed, sa sofa. So, ayan. So, kahit saan pwede mo siyang gamitin. Kahit sa ceiling. So, kapag may handle siya dito, tapos gaganunin mo siya. So, ganun. So, ayun lang guys. And also guys, compared to other vacuum cleaners kasi na nakikita ko is noisy sila and mabigat. And gaya nga ng sabi ko is this one is very light and hindi siya noisy gaano. And of course, this is cheaper compared to other brands. Pero yung performance niya is high cost and parang luxury brand na rin siya. So, ayan. And pati yung design niya, parang ano din, mamahalin tingnan. So, ayan guys. This is the vacuum cleaner na ginagamit namin ni Mommy ngayon sa paglilinis here. Tadaan! This one, this is the button. And tataas nyo lang yan to turn it on. So, super dali lang. Di mo siya kailangan i-press for... So, ganun lang siya yun, guys. Isang switch lang siya. And this is an international brand na nag-rank ng first for vacuum cleaners on Shopee. So, ito siya, guys. I-try ko na. So, ayun, guys. Nagdagdag na naman siya ng ano dito. Yung dami. Oh my gosh. Ang dami. So, ayun, guys. Ang vacuum cleaner ko, the Deerma brand, and I'll place na lang ulit mga other specs na hindi ko na-mention here sa video. Pero, ang dami natanggal here sa chair. Akala ko malinis to. So, ayan. So, ayun lang naman for today. And may package ako sa baba ulit. And let's open it together, guys. Once again, that's the Deerma 8X10 vacuum cleaner. Or, hindi ko sure. So, that's the vacuum cleaner.
So, hi everyone!
Magbukas tayo, mag-assemble tayo.
Maglalaba ako.
So guys, this is from Shopee and pinadala siya ng isang shop. And ilalagay ko na lang yung shop here. Kogi chair, ito siya. And this is their one and only product sa Shopee nila. Korean best chair siya. So, charan! Guys, isa-set up ko lang to, tapos update ko kayo from time to time. Okay guys, tapos ko na yung main part. Charan! Hi guys, natapos ko na siya. Charan! So guys, this is from Koji chair from Shopee.
Galing nga. Bago.
Itaas ko nga.
Kopiya.
So guys, this is from Koji chair sa Shopee and ilalagay ko na lang siya sa description box and this is for 2,000 pesos. Hi guys! I'm with Mommy. Hello! So ngayon, Nasa labas kami, nasa car na kami actually. Obvious naman.
Ay, hindi kaya. Sa labas tayo.
Oh my God.
Sa labas ng car.
Ayan, and papunta kami sa country club again kung saan kami nag-check-in before nung Mother's Day. Ngayon, so doon na kami papunta. At late na yung check-in namin. 5:40 na, kanina pa dapat 12. So, ayun lang naman.
Late din kasi ako nagpa-check.
Nagpa-book, yeah. So, ayun. So, ayan, papunta na kami doon. See you there, guys.
See you!
We are here, guys. Check-in po.
Russell po.
I just hope that I remember this, 'cause one day it is something I will miss. Well, my friends think I'm a different kind, but there's nothing wrong with sharing my mind to everyone else. Everyone else, everyone else will think that it's weird, so
Dito na kami, guys. Share kami ni Mami.
usual feeling I'll be alright, we'll be alright.
Hi, guys.
3, 4.
Mami.
Third floor, anak.
Third floor. Dito. Dito na kami, guys.
Come and see the world in a different light.
Charan! Kaya mo na yan, Mami. We're here, guys. So, same old sa dati naming pinuntahan ng Mother's Day ni Mami. Pero, this time, yung view namin is the golf course. Pero madilim na, guys. Ay. So, dito yung golf course, guys. Ayan, yung view namin. Ang ganda dito.
Maybe this is heaven, maybe that's just you. I don't trust my judgment, 'cause I'm just 22.
Guys, ito dapat talaga outfit ko. Pero dahil malamig na, madilim na, naka-jacket na lang ako. Diba? Cute sana. So, dito muna kami, guys, hanggang mag-dinner kami. I-update namin kayo. Hi! Guys, magdi-dinner na kami ni Mami. Yung wallpaper, guys. Yan, 7:19 PM na. Diyan, guys, na kami para umalis. Si Pon is waving, guys.
For you.
Ay, natanggal na yung damit ko.
Mag-jacket ka doon.
Pupunta kami sa kainan, guys. Pero sa ibang place kasi nagko-crave kami. So, malapit na kami, guys. Ayun na yung hotel. Yung Outlook Drive. Outlook Steak and Grill. Pala, hindi Outlook Drive. Hi guys! So, andito na kami sa kakainan namin ni Mommy sa Outlook Steak and Grill.
Hello.
Nag-order na.
Beef lang tikaw na lang sa akin.
Wait lang. So, ito na yung dinner ko, guys. Ayan, guys. Wala pa yung iba naming order. Yung ano pa lang, sa akin to, chicken tenders. Ayan. Kids menu to eh. Tcharan! Ito yung dinner namin, guys. Yun is
Sisig. Super sarap na sisig to, guys.
chicken
Best.
tenders, rice. Ano, me?
Super sarap na sisig nila dito.
Ayan. Tapos sa akin is chicken teriyaki kasi ito din kina-crave ko as in.
Ayan.
And let's eat, guys!
And you know I hate to say, but it's just that love is so hard. And sometimes I don't know who we are. So when you're getting mad in
ng food ni Mami. Kaya nag-take out na lang kami. Pang breakfast namin yun.
Spoon and fork.
Oh, di ba?
Kumuha na
Kompleto.
naman ako para pang breakfast natin.
Ayan.
Nakakunti lang naman siya. Oh. Maganda yung pagkakaano.
Yun yung breakfast na
May rice na rin.
Ito na guys. Pauwi na kami. Ay, pabalik na. Dito na kami ulit. Tapos na kami kumain. Chan, we're back. We are back! Hi guys! So, we're back na here sa room and i-update na lang namin kayo if may gagawin kami ni Mami. Chan, chan! And it's 9 o'clock na ata. Yeah, 9 o'clock na. So, ayun lang guys.
Baby, if you like my looking on the bright side, you haven't smiled in
Hello guys! Pauwi na kami ni Mami. Mag-check out na kami.
Check out na. Ano lang, overnight stay.
Ayun lang guys.
Maganda na yan.
Goodbye!
Bye!
Hi guys! Paalis na kami.
Check
Naka-check out na.
live our best life. You and I got all night. 'Cause
Guys! Paalis na kami. Kakain lang kami ni Mami somewhere simple. Yan lang guys. See you on our next venue. See you. So guys, here's our usual order. Charlie Bravo, fries, and quesadilla.
Kami lang kasawa dito.
Guys, nag-order din pala ako ng chicken. Ayan, ang sarap.
I don't think I'm ever coming down on that far.
Hello! Pauwi na po kami mga Lodi babes. Okay ba? Ikaw, anong entry mo?
Hello, mga...
Lodi.
Hello, mga kalodi dyan.
Hindi ka man marunong. Dapat ganito, oh. Hello, mga Lodi cakes. Oh, ikaw.
Hello, mga bebe labs.
Marunong. Dapat Lodi, tapos
Okay.
tugtungan mo.
Hello, mga lodi cake.
Ay, wala.
Ulit.
Ayan pala guys, yung take out namin, hindi namin naubos. Ayan. Merienda na namin yan ni Mami mamaya. Tapos marami pa kaming pagkain sa bahay. Kaya, hindi na kami bumili ng food pa uwi. Hi guys! Pauwi na kami ni